Yo guys, what up? Me, Patrick Levar. So back again with our first themed this year for mobile photography, and we're gonna open it up for mobile filmmaking. If you haven't guessed by now in the video, we're going for a black and white theme or a dual tone, basically two colors. It could be yellow and white, blue and white, whatever. But as long as it's two colors, in this video I did black and white. If you want to do video, let's keep it under 30 seconds, and we'll post all this stuff in the Discord. If you do photos, that's all great too. We'll also post it all in there. I'll make a channel on the Discord, black and white themed or dual tone or monotone. And again, if you're going to do video, let's keep it under 30 seconds. And photography, feel free to do as many shots as you want. It's going to be 7 days long. We'll start on Monday. As of me making this video, it is Friday here in Japan. So again, Monday for you guys on the rest of the world, on the other side of the planet. And yeah, let's have some fun. Mobile photography, mobile filmmaking, and just get out, practice, grab some shots. So Patrick Levar, link will be down in the description. All that jibba jabba is down there and information. Join the Discord server. That's where we'll all post all of our stuff. If you do anything on Instagram, make sure you @ me or hashtag it or something. It's better to do it in the Discord server. We keep everybody there in our nice little community. So Patrick Levar, catch you guys in about 7 days, and see ya. Take care, and blah, blah. I can't talk right now. Too much coffee. Keep filming. Peace.